Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing, guys, no? This is a farm lot for sale located in Barangay La Paz, Bugu City, Cebu. So, kini nga farm lot nga atong ginabaligya na ani nahimutang sa Bugu City, Cebu, a northern part of Cebu province. This is the northern part of Cebu province. The size is 2 hectares, clean title, and ideal for farming, residential, and you can have also a poultry piggery. Actually, this was a plantation of planted by guys, sugar, no, sugar cane plantation, including the surroundings are around, no, the around area. Sagaran sila na nanom dia og mga tubo or sugar cane plantation, no. This is not far from the highway, dili kay siya layo sa highway, guys. Mga more or less it will take around mga 2 kilometers po siguro, no. Dool ra sa dili sa yung layo yun, no. Dool ra siya sa highway. Galing lang mo tuyok ta murag mo nali agianan yun, no. Rough road. Ang rough road ani, guys, more or less nasa mga 1 kilometer, no. So mao ni ang boundary line diri dapita kini nga site kini may coconut una gamay. Nindot kayo hangin kaysa nga tanan, no. Although it's very hot, pero dili siya hot nga kuan sakit. Kuan lang yun siya kanang na a little bit sloping lang siya puro magamay, no. Mao gini siya, guys. This is the exact, no, the exact location. The price is 300 pesos per square meter ni limpyo. 300 barato na kayo. Although the pricing of the others, no, there are also for sale that is around more or less mga 12 hectares, 500 ang per square meter nila, pero kini is 300 na, no. Barato na kayo, nindot yun kayo ang location, no. There are several coconut trees. See, here comes our drone video, guys. See, taman pa niya to na ay you can see the coconut trees katong murag na limpyo. So again, the owner will allow 1 hectare, no. Allow siya og 1 hectare nga paliton. Sugot siya 1 hectare, so 3 million. Pero kung 2 hectares, 6 million. There is one house, no, na ay balay, pero nay nagtukod ito bago likod. Nagtukod siya likod. Yeah. Onwards pa sa unahan pagamay na apoy mga residential houses, no, sa unahan. Di lang maklaro diri kay daghan man kahoy. Ideal for farming vegetables. Pwede ka mag poultry piggery, but you need to have a dig a well. Imo gyud tabay ka diri because no water system, but you can dig a well. Sila diri nagikalos ra sila, wala sila nakikuan lang na yung mga dipuil diha dapita. Fresh air kayo niya. Overlooking siya. Mao gyud ni siya ang property. Mas nindot kung makuha nimo ang 2 hectares, ang 2 ka hektarya gyud, no. Mas nindot. So mao nay sitwasyon, guys, no. Then if you have a site inspection just ahead of time, kay naaman ko sa Bohol kasagaran, kuan lang gyud, pwede sa kadiri magmanukan, game park na game, si tawagan na, para pang tari, no. Kanang mga lubi, guys, kana that coconut trees are the boundary lines na siya. So beyond ana is another property. So you can plant peanut or kamote, sweet potato, kasaba. So daghan kag mahimo diri, guys. Although you cannot expect nga kuan kanang medyo barato gyud diri, pero as for me barato ra gyud ni siya. Kay 300 pesos per square meter only. Then di man nato malikayan, no, kung mo try patag negotiate, mo pa na lang ta after viewing. Ana lang siguro. Kay ang giingon is net na ra ba. So diri nga side is only a few neighborhood ra, no. Gamay ra ang silingan, pero except that one in front of the property. Naay mga balay hapon, no. Kita man nato. There's a strong signal of cellphone kay na tower, no, not far from the property. Because again, sa unahan ana is already the highway. So nindot kay ta magtukod og kuan diri, residential house. So mao gini porma sa property, guys. That is the property, no, as you can see. Gapo gyud kayo ang landscape. Then if you have properties, no, property for sale in Bohol and Cebu, just contact me. I will help you sell your property. Bohol and Cebu lang, guys, no. Kining na limpyo is not part of the property kanang kuan, pero that is already the boundaries. This one yun is our property for sale. So nindot kayo, no, dako kay hawan ang surroundings. So we process title, no, Cebu and Bohol only. See, mao gini atong property, no, dako kayo. Mas nindot ang aton ning hotdon, guys. Pero portion ra, okay ra sad. 3 million pesos. Then to the malls, no, shopping malls, just only around few minutes drive. Then beaches, naaranis mga 20 minutes drive adto sa San Remigio, 20 to 30 minutes drive. Then mao na ato ang Facebook account ninyo Humawas 14, just add me. Yan ay coming airport pod, no, sa Medellin man siguro to ni. Ang coming airport. So dool ra, no. Just few minutes drive, no? From the proposed coming airport. Then mao na itong website propertyph.net. More properties for sale, no? Lipay kay mga bata. Lipay sila kitag drone. So again guys, no, kung mag-shopping ta, di la kay layo, doon ra man kay Lapas, Bugo City. Just 10 minutes drive lang siguro to the center of Bugo. Doon ra kayo. So mga bata lingaw kay sila. Nya kung mga ligo taog dagat, di gihapon layo kay it's a coastal town naman ning Bugo. Din San Remigio. Din Medellin, na daghan na kay katuan. Dayon daan Bantayan. So daghan. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our Facebook account on YouTube channel. Follow, like, and share. Okay? God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.